Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And in this video, I'll be covering how to message your friends and how to message with user-to-user messaging in the application. So what you can now do in the 5.0 application, if you have premium, is you can create friend chat messages or chat conversation with your friends. So right now I have a phone on the right that doesn't have premium and the phone on the left that does have premium. So how do I know that is if I go to the subscription screen, I can see here, right here, current subscription is a trial weekly, which is this one, and it expires today. So this was a trial subscription, which is completely fine. It is a premium subscription. And if I go into this subscription, you can see that there is no selection here, or there is no current subscription in this phone. So what you can do is here, you can go new chat, and in this plus button, if you click this plus button, you will now be taken to an invite friends to chat screen. So if I was going to do that on this phone on the right that doesn't have a subscription, what will happen is say you have to upgrade to premium to be able to take advantage of this feature, and it takes me to the subscribe screen. So now in this invite friends to chat screen, what you have to do is you have to type your friend's username here. In order to do that, so you say, how do I know my friend's username? Well, it's pretty easy. It's in my profile. You can see here, this is the person's username and profile picture, right? If I was going to go to my own here, if I go to my profile, you can see that this is my profile, this is my username, and this is my photo. So I go back, new chat, plus, and invite friend. So my friend is here. Good. Select. And I can see that here my friend was invited. I can choose here to uninvite if I made a mistake or something. And you can invite here up to 4 people. So 4 friends. You saw that there was another username. I think I made this out of, must have made this twice. But if I go here, I can invite up to 4. And in this case, it's the same user because they have the same the same email address. But I go and invite, and then I click done. Right. So at this point, the person was created to join the chat, but now I have to add the users. Right. It's now we follow the same pattern that we do on local conversations. So I can create here my demo users. I added, and then I click done. And what you saw on this side is you see that a conversation gets created automatically, and I get this notification, new invite to join conversation. So I can now, let's type, just go one message, demo user, and here the message gets posted. This is from the user that created the chat, right? But now on the other side, the user that got invited to the chat, if I click here on this conversation, it says invite. You have been invited to join a conversation made by me. And this is the username or the user that created the conversation invited you to join the conversation, right? So you can now click decline or accept. If you want to decline, you don't want to join, or if you want to accept, let's go accept. And after I click accept, here is the conversation, right? The conversation and the message that the other user created. So now I can type in messages, and I can type in the messages as any user that is in the chat, right? So demo user 2, and here on this side the other person gets the message, right? Or the same thing, if I hold 1 2 3, I can create the messages myself, and the user gets the chat, right? So here the idea is that you can message with your friends as the demo users or the other personal user, you can say. And you can create a chat story or a chat conversation with multiple people, right? So you can create this, you can have up to 4 people join in this conversation. So if I go here, edit user, I will be able to see all the users that are in the chat right here. So you can have up to 4, all the real users, let's say. And then here are all the well, you can say the fake users in this chat. And then let's say that I want to edit one. Let's say Bob here, or John. Let's say John. Once I make that change, John, done. Profile gets updated, username gets updated. I click done. Here it is. John got updated on my friend's phone, and here John got updated on the user phone. Yep. So that's pretty much it. You can have the same functionality as you do, but this this feature, or this this capability is done from user to user, and you can send pictures, you can send messages, you can pretty much do everything with multiple friends. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'll be covering many more tutorials in the next video, so I'll see you in the next one.